Obviously, since fluorine has one more energy level, it's going to be larger in size compared to helium. So the greater number of energy levels an atom has, the larger its atomic radius is going to be. The next factor is going to be the number of protons. Let's compare, for instance, nitrogen and fluorine. Nitrogen and fluorine both have two energy levels, as both of them are in the second period. However, fluorine is going to be smaller in size because fluorine has a greater number of protons. Fluorine has 9 protons and nitrogen has 7 protons. Since fluorine has a greater number of protons pulling the valence electrons inwards, fluorine is going to have a smaller atomic radius, while nitrogen is going to have a larger atomic radius. So when we when there is a same number of energy levels between two atoms, that's when we consider factor number two, the number of protons. If the two atoms that we are comparing have a different number of energy levels, then we don't even have to consider the number of protons or the number of electrons. We just have to look at the number of energy levels. We consider the number of protons only when the two atoms that we are comparing have the same number of energy levels.